Hello and welcome back to Hollow Knight Silksong. In this video, I will show you how you can skip cutscenes in, well, Hollow Knight Silksong. Let's begin! And we can begin by simply clicking Start Game. You'll notice that I have one file already, but in order to see probably the beginning cutscene, you want to go in a profile. So let's click it. And we will begin with a poem from in-game world. But if you want to skip it, you want to simply press any kind of button. I will press enter, for example, and you will notice we can press any button to skip it. So I will press it once again, and now we have skipped the poem. But actually, we will get the other cutscene. But if you really follow the game, you probably know this cutscene already, because this is the cutscene from the first reveal trailer. So we can always skip it by clicking any kind of button, and then we can click any kind of button once again in order to skip the cutscene. Now we'll have a few moments of loading. We cannot skip the act first, because this is just of the chapter. So as you can see, we are in the Parloom now. And we should see also technically what counts as a cutscene. We can't really do anything here, we have to wait for a moment, but now our weapon will fall. As you can see, we can still move. We can only start moving by healing ourselves. And now we can begin playing the game. Of course, I have no idea why would anyone on Earth want to just skip the cutscenes, because they are very, very beautiful, they are so well animated, but, you know, whatever floats your boat. Anyway, that's all for the video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, as always, thanks for watching.